Today we will make this beanie. This beanie is made with hook needle number 3 millimeter hook needle. I will be using mohair yarn, and we will begin with chain. In this video I will make child size, and you can also make ladies size. I will chain a chain which is 25 centimeter long. That's enough for child size. Just keep chaining until you achieve 25 centimeter. So let's check up our chain. Yes, my chain has 25 centimeter. Now I will add 3 more chains as first double crochet, and now yarn over and insert hook needle from into the 4th chain from your hook needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make double crochet. Now you have to make in every single chain 1 double crochet. Keep making double crochets in every chain. I'm ending my first row with double crochet. Let's do 1. Now chain 2 and turn your work. From now on, we will be doing in every row in each double crochet we will make front post double crochet. Front. And again, front post double crochet. And we will repeat this pattern until we achieve our length. For child size is needed 30 centimeter length. Just keep making double crochets front post, and so you will become this ribbing. I'm finishing my second row with a front post double crocheting. Please be careful by the last 2-1. You have to split these 2-1. They're off together or hidden. you have to crochet both one. Please crochet the last one too with front post double crochet. So in the last one, make also front post double crochet. If you forget the last one, then your work will be from round to round smaller, thinner, because you will lose your crochets, double crochets. Chain 2 and turn the work, and keep repeating our pattern with front post double crochets, and when you achieve 30 centimeter length, I'll show you this, so it looks like. You need 25 centimeter and 30 centimeter for child size. For women's size you need 30 centimeter and height from 35 centimeter. When I finish my work, I'll be back. So I finished. Now put your yarn into the sewing needle, and we will sew this work together, and that's how we will become our beanie form. Just insert the sewing needle in every ribbing. That's very easy and fast to make. 2 minutes maybe. The last one, pull through and pull through one yarn, just one. The other one left over on the other side. Pull both together, very tight. Check your work. It looks like this. Pull tight and make a slip knot. One more to be sure. So insert the yarn into the sewing needle. And make some stitches to hide the yarn. So we don't want to have any holes in our product. Holes are unloved. In crocheting and knitting. Please check the bottom of your beanie and put both sides together, so that will assure a better round. Make a slip knot. Insert yarn into the sewing needle. I'm having some problems here. Just a little bit. Wow, I made it. Pull through. And just hide yarn left over into the beanie. Just go through a few stitches to hide the yarn. So now you can cut it. And we have finished one side. It looks like this. And now we will make the same on the other side. So I sew together both sides, and now we will make the edge. So take yarn, insert hook needle, we will work in every chain, double crochet, pull the yarn through the first chain, and chain 3, yarn over and make a double crochet in the next chain. Keep making double crochets in every chain around your beanie, and I have finished my first round with double crochets in every chain, the last one, and now we will close the round into the first chain from first double crochet in this round. Make a slip, chain 3. We will be working our pattern front and back post double crochets. So the first one is front one, front post double crochet, yarn over, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back one, and so on. We will keep repeating this pattern for 2 more rounds for child. For women's size, 3 more rounds. So we will achieve elastic rounding. So I finished my beanie. I will now applicate this flower. I'll insert sewing needle from the bottom, pull through 1 yarn, and then from the top into the flower, pull through, and now on the right side from the flower, so you can applicate whatever you want. You can applicate heart, a butterfly, or a very large button, or anything you like. That's up to you. Turn your work over and just make on every side slip knots. Cut the yarn. And we finished our beanie. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye.